Eurasia Glass Fair, Istanbul, stands as one of the most influential trade shows dedicated to the glass, glazing, and facade industries across Europe, the Middle East, and Central Asia. Held annually in Istanbul, it brings together thousands of professionals, from manufacturers and engineers to architects, developers, and international buyers, all in search of the latest technologies, trends, and partnerships.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
Co-located with Eurasia Window and Eurasia Door exhibitions, it offers a unique 360-degree view of the building envelope and facade systems industries, making it a must-attend event for anyone active in construction, design, or materials innovation. Eurasia Glass Fair Istanbul is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.